Grabe.
Oo. Do you
Super
do
proud.
that? Do you try to do resistance training?
Ako?
Oo.
Yes.
Oo,
I
di ba?
try, oo.
Kasi ang sabi nila, yung legs mo is your second heart. So kailangan yung leg muscles mo, kasing tibay nung
Very
kay
strong.
VP Sara.
Anak sa segue.
Oo, ganda.
Nakatayo pa rin kahit binabato ng binabato. Hindi natitinag. Tatakbo akong presidente.
Nagulat ka ba?
Nagulat ako sa timing. But then, considering that the impeachment case, resurrection is imminent, then this is the perfect timing for her.
Yeah.
Hindi ba?
Yeah, I guess a lot of people were looking into saying they're not surprised. Alam naman natin na tatakbo. At least that's what we think. Pero yung timing, nangyari nga bago ang impeachment, hearing ng impeachment complaint sa House.